Okay guys, so now we have this button that was not working yet. So under this we have another button, this our meet our client button also doesn't have any link in it. So first of all I will add link in this our work button. So for this, first of all I will open dashboard in new tab. Now I will go to pages and I will copy the services page link. Now I will go back to page and enable visual builder here. Now here go to this button settings and click on this gear button. Now go to link. Here paste the link that we have copied. Now here you have link target. You can open it in the same window or in new tab. I will click on open in the new tab. Now click on the stick button. Now this button have a link. Now we will move to the next button. Now here we have this meet our clients button. Now before adding any link in it, first of all I will go to this our client section, and here in the section I will click on this gear button. I will go to advanced custom CSS ID. Here I will add it CSS ID of clients. Now copy this ID and click on this tick button. Now go to meet our client button, go to its settings. Here in link paste the CSS ID and put a hashtag with it. Now you can change the target, but here make sure to select in the same window because this link will flow the page to the next section. Now click on the stick button. Now here I have added the link in both the remaining buttons, so I will click on these three dots and now I will update the page. Now the page was successfully updated. Now I will test the button, so I will click on this exit visual builder button. Now I am on my main page. So here first of all I will click on our work button, so it will take me to the given link. Now here you can see I have mentioned our services and works. I have done work in WordPress, e-commerce, Android applications, web applications, HTML and HTML5 and CSS. Now I will go back to page. Now scroll down and go to second button. Now here is the second button. Now when I click on meet our clients, it take me to this section where I have mentioned my clients are partners. Now that's how you can add a navigation link in this button and other page link in the first button. Now in the next topic I will show you how to create footer like this I have in this website. So keep following our upcoming videos to get to know how to create full page website using Divi.